Most homeowners panic at the thought of placing storage along window walls, as if it's some sort of decorating faux pas. But don't worry, these fabulous window storage ideas will show you that it's perfectly fine. Seriously, a little strategic storage can transform a room into a cozy reading nook that says, "Come curl up with me." Imagine adding cabinets beneath the windows for a dreamy window seat, or extending storage all the way up to the ceiling, because who doesn't need more places to hide their clutter or TV? Here are 10 under-window storage ideas to elevate your storage game to a new level. If you enjoy these tips, subscribe and turn on notifications to keep the inspiration flowing. Number 10. A walk-in closet window storage. Want to make the most of your closet space? Say hello to a bench by the window. This little addition makes your walk-in closet both functional and gorgeous. For instance, this setup features tons of shelves and storage cabinets for all your shoes, bags, and clothes. If you're craving a bit of privacy, just throw up some curtains or blinds on that window. Plus, you can really cozy it up by piling on some plush cushions for the ultimate comfy bench vibe. 9. A DIY window seat with hidden storage and TV. Start with a solid 3D plan and precise measurements to minimize errors. Grab your angle vices to lock in those perfect 90-degree corners, then glue and screw your frame together. Don't overthink the screws, just pre-drill and get them in. For professional level cuts, swap in a fine blade for your circular saw and use wood spacers for fast, accurate alignment. Ensure the bench side is built tough to handle weight, while keeping the center section flexible for future gear adjustments. Once the frame is set, clear the room, tuck that subwoofer deep into the cabinet and get everything primed and painted. Now for the magic. Install your TV lift, one from Nora Audio in our case, making sure that heavy rig is stable and centered. For the top, use stunning oak veneer and align the grain so it looks like one seamless slab. Don't skimp on hardware. Use 4 soft close hinges on those lids for maximum stability. Route out your cable management holes, sand everything smooth, and seal it with hard wax oil. Finally, toss on some comfy cushions, hook up your Sonos sound system, and sync the lift to your smart home. Now you've got a sleek, hidden entertainment center that looks as good as it sounds. 8. DIY bookcase with a bench storage idea. Start by planning your layout using software like SketchUp or Fusion 360 to visualize the project. For the structure, frame the bottom platform with 2x4s secured to the subfloor, top it with plywood, and anchor upper 2x4s to wall studs using cross beams and pocket holes for stability. Face the frame with plywood before painting. For the finish, use 3/4-inch pine plywood for surfaces and 1/4-inch poplar for wainscoting, filling gaps before painting. If reinstalling carpet, reuse old tack strips, cut the carpet to fit the new footprint, and pull it taut. Finally, ensure comfort by securing cushions with strong Velcro adhesive or non-slip silicone sheets that are easily washable, completing your sturdy DIY bookcase and bench storage. 7. Around the window storage plan. Start by framing out a rock-solid bench that fits tight against the wall beneath the sill. Next, mount a secure top cabinet overhead to show off your favorite books and decor. Don't let a single inch go to waste. Pack the surrounding space with extra shelves or cabinets to maximize your storage. Finally, tie the whole vibe together with some blue striped curtains for a warm, inviting finish. 6. Under the window storage plan for awkward layout. Construct the framework using ambrosia maple for its distinctive aesthetic, paired with sapele wood for the bench tops. Install hinges on the sapele tops to allow them to lift upwards, providing effortless access to the storage below. Build the core storage boxes from high-quality plywood and wrap them in maple cladding, utilizing a mitered frame for a refined, seamless look. To prevent structural issues caused by seasonal humidity, incorporate a sliding panel mechanism that allows the wood to expand and contract naturally. Finally, apply Rubio monocoat to seal the wood, ensuring a durable and beautiful finish. 5.1. A built-in bench project with storage below the bay window. Got an awkward bay window? Let's turn it into a feature. Start by carefully popping off the old trim. Save it because we're reusing it later. Frame your bench securely to the wall studs and block wall, but skip nailing into the floor so you don't ruin the subfloor if you ever move it. Don't forget to extend your HVAC ductwork from the floor to the new wall face so you don't block the heat. Once your drywall is taped and mudded, cut a sheet of 3/4-inch plywood for the lid, hit the edges with a round-over router bit, and attach it with smooth piano hinges. Nail that old trim back on, caulk the gaps, and paint it. Finish it off with a custom cushion. Just budget around $125 for that comfort. 5.2. A window bench seat idea with inset drawers. Begin by smoothing surfaces with 220 grit sandpaper and applying 2 coats of semi-gloss paint for a professional finish. Construct the main structure using 3/4-inch BC sanded plywood for the top and face, while crafting drawer fronts from 3/4-inch red oak and boxes from 1/4-inch sanded plywood. Crucially, ensure junction boxes remain accessible by making drawers fully removable from their slides. Finally, maintain necessary airflow by drilling 12 3/4-inch holes arranged in a 3x10 vent pattern to provide adequate ventilation. Number 4. The reading nook idea with extra storage. Ready to turn your living room into the perfect reading and movie nook? First, dial up the comfort factor. Pile on the pillows, grab your softest plush blankets, and get a solid footrest so you can really kick back. Don't forget a snack tray, because once you settle in, you won't want to move. Now, let's make that space work double time. Build a window seat that acts as a daybed and top it with a serious cushion for lounging. But don't waste the space underneath. Install one massive drawer or 2 smaller ones to stash your board games, books, and DVDs. 3. A U-shaped bay window bench seat idea. Start by framing with pocket holes. A Keg 720 Pro Jig will significantly simplify this process. Use MDF boards for sturdy sidewalls and construct the bench tops by laminating 2 sheets of 3/4-inch walnut veneer plywood to achieve a thickness of 1.5 inches. Once assembled, finish the wood surfaces with General Arm Air Seal for a durable, attractive result. For the vent ducting, use galvanized material rather than a 1/4-inch plywood to prevent condensation and mold. Fabricate a square segment matching your duct size, creating a 90-degree angle to ensure proper airflow. If measurement mistakes occur around the vent height, utilize mitered trim to maintain a polished look. Once the structure is complete, focus on the interior styling. Arrange decorative baskets for storage and add personal touches like plants or artwork to the shelves. Number 2, Project 1, DIY bench and cabinet around a big window. Begin your project by assessing the space around your large window and removing any existing flooring, such as carpet or tile, to create a clean slate. In your open floor plan, you'll want to install consistent vinyl plank flooring throughout the dining room, living room, and kitchen. Choose this material for its durability and ease of maintenance, especially if you have kids and pets. Once the flooring is laid down, prepare to paint the walls to brighten the space. Next, consider the design for your custom-built bench. If you have electrical outlets, plan to run them on either side of the window above the cabinets. Be cautious while cutting holes for outlets. Ensure you check for studs to avoid any mishaps. Once the electrical is in place, you'll need to sand down the windowsill to remove the old, orangish oak stain. Decide on a finish. You can paint it white to match the built-in, but may opt for a natural wood look if that suits your style better. If you choose the natural finish, seal it with polyacrylic. For the bench itself, use solid oak plywood, ensuring it fits snugly around the window, and install an under-cabinet vent kit if necessary to accommodate vent placement. Project 2, a custom built-in bookcase with a window seat idea. For the window seat built-in bookcase, design cubbies beneath the bench, specifically sized to house your growing board game collection. Use sheets of melamine to construct the bookcases and cabinets, and add board and batten to the walls for a professional, polished finish. Since this is a multifunctional space rather than a formal dining room, incorporate casual elements like a small table, artwork, and proper lighting to enhance the atmosphere. Before we wrap up our countdown, remember that every like, share, and comment helps us reach a wider audience. If you've watched this far, you know what to do. If the new voice kept you tuned in, give the video some hype to help it reach new heights. But if that feels like too much, just know you've done great by spending your valuable time here. With that, let's close our countdown with Number 1. DIY window bench plan using MDF. Start by modeling your design in SketchUp, allocating about 2 hours for this essential planning phase. Construct the cabinet backs using MDF with alder-faced frames and solid, hard maple shelves, assembling the structure with dados, crown staples, and glue. For the benchtop, glue together 8 to 10 inch wide maple boards for a high-quality surface. Finish the MDF components with the specific layering process: sanding sealer, primer, 2 coats of paint, and 3 coats of brushing lacquer. To control the environment, aim to complete 90% of the painting in your garage using a brush. Now for the pro details. A contractor would charge you $4,000 for this, so make it count. Use General Finishes Snow White Milk Paint over a good primer and double-check that your caulk is paintable. Use birch plywood for internal shells and add cedar planks for a rustic vibe. If your window frame is wonky, shim it level so it sits perfectly. Finally, hide those electrical wires for lighting and check your gaps.
Oh, and by the way, at the Sim Home channel, you'll discover a variety of lists that you won't find on other channels. For instance, we offer insights like 10 petite bedroom transformations, 10 dry garden improvement projects, and 10 fridge configuration for small kitchens, among many others. Each of these lists is compiled with extensive research and careful writing processes. The admin has also included relevant sources to enhance your learning journey. So, what are you waiting for? If you have some free time and internet access, follow the link in the description to take full advantage of what Sim Home has to offer. That's it for now. Before you go, please like this video if you enjoyed it. Feel free to comment or share it with your friends on social media or your email list. Lastly, we look forward to seeing you again soon with more videos like this. Until then, thanks for watching.